Good morning, everybody. I'm just doing a little drive along today. You're welcome to join me if you like. This is not a DIY video or how to do video, just a little drive along. Sit back, take a ride with me if you like. Nothing exciting. I don't plan anything exciting to be happening. Just a relaxing ride. The cheapest I've seen gas yet, $2.13. I don't know. Seems like it's a little bit of gouging with the price of oil the way it is today. Just taking a drive, picking up a few supplies this morning. Blessed with a beautiful day today. It's 62 degrees, and forecast says we're going to be into the 70s today, which is a nice break from the weather we've been having. It's cold a couple days later, damp and rainy. One day you're outside splitting wood with a t-shirt on, we're burning wood. Let's see what. It's sad to see all these stores empty, everybody closed. But just the way things are for now. Week ago, 2 weeks ago, was the first time I was out for a while, and right here there was a long line and all these cars in the parking lot. I couldn't figure out what was going on. It looked like some kind of a strike. I said, strike? Who's going to be striking now? People looking for work. Anyway, I walk up to the entrance of the Home Depot here. Young lady there asked me, she goes, you picking anything up? I said, no, I have to go in and pick up a few odds and ends. She goes, oh, you have to go to the end of the line. It's been so long since I went out, I wasn't aware that you had to wait online to go in, which wasn't a bad thing all in all. You didn't have people on top of you when you were shopping, but I find it amazing with everything that's going on. There was a young couple in the aisle that I was walking down, and both of them had masks on, but the masks were around their neck. Both of them had the mask not covering their face. I mean, I don't know what it is. We have this major shutdown worldwide, countrywide. Schools are closed. Can't even go to motor vehicle, they're closed, and yet these people are walking around with their masks down in the store. I could see outside walking on a path or something, you know, having it down and just putting it on when you pass somebody, but I just don't get people. Well, enough of the ranting. It's a beautiful day today. I have some supplies I'm going to drop off to my son and daughter-in-law, and everybody's been quarantined, everybody's been down. I'm about the only one that's been going out, and I make this trip like once a week, and you can see the car got dust on it from not using it, but it's a beautiful day today. Everything green, lush, had plenty of rain. This little deli here has been here for I don't know how long, and it always has people in and out. It's funny, on a busy road like this with no parking, I would have never picked a spot like that to open a store. But it goes to show you, fill a need, people will come, regardless of the spot or location. It's good to get out and see people from time to time. is a beautiful area. This is Dutchess County, New York. There's a lot of building going on now. A lot of new houses coming in. Seems like there's always new houses coming in. This used to be all farm country up here when I first moved up. A lot of cows, hay fields. More and more now it's cows, hay fields, apple orchards, cornfields. Now, more and more development upon developments on top of developments. This is the back end of Dutchess County Airport, and they're extending this airport now, which I don't think it's going to be such a great thing. We have planes flying overhead on a regular basis now, and somebody said something about a hangar for governor's helicopter or something might be in there, so probably going to be a lot of activity in this area. This road by the airport, when you come here, when things are normal and you try to go down this road, it could take you 20 to 30 minutes to travel about a mile. So I don't know what it's going to be like once they extend this airport, but that's progress. This was extended once after I moved up. See this hill going up there? That used to be all trees. This side looked like this side. But they cut all those trees down, they filled it in, and they extended it. I don't know how much more they could extend this or how they're going to extend it. Maybe they'll close off this road or reroute this road. That's a new hangar that they just built. This is on the back end of the airport, and there's one on the other side. I used to drive my little guy to nursery school every day. I had a big thing to watch at the Swappinger Creek. When it's raining, this thing is full to the boat banks. And when it's dry, you can almost see the bottom. Just nice to get out and see different scenery. Some road work up ahead. I was talking to one of the highway crew, and they were telling me that they're on 2 days and off 2 days. I don't know what happened to the 5th day, but I don't understand if with everything that's going on, traffic is at a minimum right now. Most people aren't working. Why don't I have these guys out repairing the roads now? I mean, they're distant from everybody else. They don't have to come in contact with people. Traffic's at a minimum. It'd be easier for them to work. It'd be easier for people that have to go back and forth to work when they do go back, not having to have all the traffic jams. I don't get why they're just not doing more on that end. But not my call. This is just a beautiful area. I think maybe one day this week I'll gas up and just take the little guy and the missus out, take a ride on that Taconic. It's a beautiful road to drive on. We all need a break and get out of the house without being near other people. House, and there won't be people around, so it's safe. In the car, being in the car, I think social distancing is at its max, other than staying at home. Quite a bit of traffic out. Today is Thursday, and I've been out this time of day before, and I haven't seen this much traffic. People still have to eat, Garbage still has to be picked up. $2.09. It's even better to gas on this end. This is just one of the, I can't get a good view over here. Try to get a video of one of the small waterfalls we have here. Well, as I mentioned before, there's nothing exciting to see. If you couldn't get out today, hope you enjoyed this ride along with me. I'm just about home now, and I'll be ending this video. I'm just about home now, and as I mentioned before, nothing exciting to see, but if you couldn't get out, I hope you enjoyed this ride along today, and I'm going to end this video now. There's only more of the same to see. It's just to provide a little break today, something different to see, and the rest of the road is just more of the same. So until next time, everyone, stay safe, stay close to your family, and be well. Take care.